So in this video, we are going to learn how to add AWeber subscriber to FunnelKit as contact. Let's say you're using AWeber as an email marketing platform and you want that whenever a new subscriber is added in AWeber, you want to add that same subscriber as a contact in FunnelKit as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, just by adding a new subscriber in AWeber with the same details, that the subscriber will be added as a contact in FunnelKit. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as AWeber to FunnelKit. And then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. Now as we click on Create, here you will see a workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our AWeber account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new subscriber is added in AWeber, automatically the details of that new subscriber will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that same subscriber to FunnelKit and we are going to add that subscriber to FunnelKit as a new contact. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, here in Choose App, we are going to search for AWeber. Just select it. After selecting AWeber, here in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select New Subscriber in a list. After selecting this trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our AWeber account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with AWeber button. Now here, because I have already logged into my AWeber account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just scroll down, enter your account credentials and click on Allow Access. And as you click on Allow Access, we will see our AWeber account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the account. So if you are connected with multiple AWeber accounts, in this dropdown, you will see a list of all of those accounts. And from here, you have to select the account from which you want to get the details of a new subscriber. After selecting the account, it is asking us for the list ID. So it is also possible that in your AWeber account, you might be adding some new subscriber in multiple lists. So new subscriber from which particular list you want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, you have to select that list over here. Right now in my account, I have only one list named as new customer. So I'm going to select that. After selecting the account and list ID, we just have to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, the details of the last subscriber, the most recent subscriber which was added in AWeber, details of that subscriber will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So I will just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And after clicking on it, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the most recent subscriber which we have added. Here you can see the name of the subscriber, that is Test Dummy. Then after that, we will scroll down further and here you can see the email address of this subscriber. Then you can see the mobile number and also the city. In this way, the details of a new subscriber from AWeber is received inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our AWeber account, we will go to the subscriber section and we will go to subscribers. After coming to subscribers, here you can see the subscriber Test Dummy. This is the same name, same email, the same mobile number and city. Here you can see we have successfully received the details of a new subscriber from AWeber in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, we want to add this subscriber with the same details as a contact in FunnelKit. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we will search for FunnelKit. Just select it. After selecting FunnelKit, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Contact. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our FunnelKit account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and website URL of our FunnelKit account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, we will go to our FunnelKit account. So this is my WordPress site where I have added FunnelKit, and after coming here from the left sidebar under FunnelKit automations, we will go to settings, and after coming to settings, click on this public API button. Under public API, here you can see a list of all the API keys which you have generated. Right now, I don't have any API key, so I'll just click on this add new button and select the permission type for this API key. Let's say I want to give the permission of read and write. Then just select the user from your WordPress account who is creating this particular API key. So I'll just select the admin user who is the admin of this WordPress site and also of my FunnelKit account. And then we have to add a description. So let's say I'll add a description as Pabbly Connect. You can basically add any other description of your choice and click on add. Now as we click on add, we will see a new API key is generated in our FunnelKit account. Just copy the API key from here and then paste it over here. After entering the API key, here we have to enter our WordPress site URL in which we have the FunnelKit add-on or the plugin. Now to get the site URL, just go to WordPress and from the URL section, before this /wp, we have to copy this URL from here. After that, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after entering the API key in site URL, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our FunnelKit account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks is the email. That what is the email address of the new contact which we want to create in FunnelKit. So from trigger step in AWeber responses, here you can see we have received the email address of the new subscriber which we have in AWeber. So what we are going to do, from the trigger step responses which we have received from AWeber, we are going to map this response of email to this FunnelKit action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email and here in the drop-down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from AWeber of a new subscriber. Out of all of these responses, select the response of email and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever email address we are going to enter, whatever email address we are going to have of the subscriber in AWeber, we are going to add that same email address as a contact in our FunnelKit account. After mapping the email, it is asking us for the first name and the last name. But here in AWeber responses, you will see we have received the response of the full name of the user. We have the response for the full name. We don't have separate response for first name and last name. So what you can do, you can just split this response of full name into two parts of first name and last name. And we are going to use an amazing feature, amazing module of Pabbly Connect called text formatter. And to use it, just scroll down and click on this add action step button before the FunnelKit action step. And here in choose app, search for text formatter. Just select it. After selecting text formatter by Pabbly, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as split text. And then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, here the first thing it asks us is text to split. That what is the text? What is the response which we want to split? So we want to split the text. We want to split the response of this name of the subscriber which we have received from AWeber in the trigger step. So what we are going to do, we are going to map the response of the subscriber name in this text to split field. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field and from the drop down from AWeber responses, select the response of subscriber and it will be mapped. After mapping the subscriber, it is asking us for the separator. So we want to separate the text. We want to split the text before and after this space. We want to separate first name and last name by the basis of this space. And to use space as a separator, we write space like this in double curly braces. Then after that, in segment index from the drop down, we are going to select all and click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see in response, we have the separate response of first name and last name. And now we are going to map both of these details in the FunnelKit action step. So we'll just click here. From the drop down, we are going to select the response of first name in the first name field and map it. And here in last name, we are going to map the response of last name from text formatter responses. After mapping these details, it is asking us for the contact number. So we have received the contact number directly from AWeber. So from the drop down, we are going to select and map the response of contact number, mobile number. Then we don't have the response of country, so you can ignore it. We don't have state. We have the status. So here in the drop down, you can see what status you want for this particular subscriber, for this particular contact in AWeber. Is it subscribed, unverified, bounced, or unsubscribed? You can select any status of your choice over here. Then if you want to add any tag to this new contact, you can select it. So here in the drop down, you will get a list of all the customer tag, all the contact tag which you have created in FunnelKit. Let's say I want to add the tag as test, and in which particular contact list in FunnelKit we want to add this subscriber, we want to add this contact. We have to select that. Let's say I want to add it in list 2. Then we have the address details. We have the response of city from AWeber. So from the drop down, we are going to select the response of city, which was Mumbai over here, and map it. But we don't have rest of the address details. So if you want, you can just ignore these fields for now, because all of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. And after mapping the data in each and every field of your choice which you have, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, using these details, basically the details of the subscriber which we have received from AWeber, with all the same details, we have added this person as a contact in FunnelKit. So let's check it. We will go to our FunnelKit account, and from the left sidebar, we will go to this contact section. And yes, here you can see test dummy. The same person whose details, the same subscriber whose details we have received from AWeber, the same subscriber is now added as a contact in FunnelKit. Here you can see the same name, you can see the same email address, same mobile number. We will scroll down further, and here you can see the same city in address which we have added, Mumbai. Here you can see the same tag which we have selected in the Pabbly Connect workflow, and also the same list. This means the automation workflow is successfully created using Pabbly Connect between AWeber and FunnelKit. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation in real time. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a new subscriber in AWeber. So this is the form which I have created using AWeber. This is the subscription form. And here we are going to enter the details of a new user. For example, let's see the name of the person is demo user. The email address is this. And after that, this is the mobile number which we are going to enter. And the city is, for example, Delhi. So just now here in this subscription form, in this sign up form which I have created using AWeber, we have entered the details of another dummy subscriber. So we are just going to click on submit button, and as we click on submit, you will see this subscriber will be added in our AWeber account. So we'll go to our AWeber account, refresh the subscribers page, and you will see using the form submission, this new subscriber is added over here. And yes, here you can see demo user, the same person is now added as a subscriber in AWeber. And because we have created this automation between AWeber and FunnelKit, and we will see within 10 minutes, this same person, this same subscriber will be added as a contact in FunnelKit as well. Now, it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between AWeber trigger and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new subscribers in a list in our AWeber account every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will check that whether some new subscribers are added in AWeber or not. And if we have added any new subscriber in last 10 minutes, it will get the details of all of those subscribers, take back to Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger. And using this automation, we are going to process all of those subscribers, all of that data, and add them in FunnelKit as well automatically. So here what we have to do, we will just wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now after that, we'll go to our FunnelKit account and go to the contacts page once. And yes, here you can see demo user, the same person to whom we have just now added as a subscriber in our AWeber account. The same person with the same details is now added in FunnelKit as a new contact. Here you can see the same email, the same name, same phone number, and the same city. Also the tag and the list is also same which we have selected while setting up the automation in Pabbly Connect. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. It's not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.